Alright, now before y'all jump the gun, so I know that I said that last sneaker pickup was the last sneaker of the year. That's the last sneaker that I was gonna pick up. But in my defense, these joints too cold to pass up. So let's just talk about this sneaker, man. Come on, let's talk about it. YouTube family, what's good, and welcome back to my channel, Coolin' with Camcorder. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, I am your homeboy Camcorder Banks. This is where you get weekly content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and of course, menswear fashion. I want you to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit that like button, and make sure you drop a comment down below. And most importantly, make sure you hit that notification bell because every time I drop a haymaker, I want y'all to tune in. Alright, so today we are talking about the Nike Air Jordan 1 High A Ma Maniere. Now, fortunately enough, I was able to win me a pair. I was excited about this, and at the same time, I'm getting my daughter a pair, which I'm really excited about. I tried getting some for T, but I didn't win. Unfortunately, I didn't win. So yes, I am going to go buy a resale for these sneakers because I want all of us to have them. But moving forward, we know that the threes recently came out this year, and they are in the run for sneaker of the year. Now, with A Ma Maniere actually dropping another one just before the end of the year comes, will they actually go into the bracket of being sneaker of the year? Will they actually make some noise? Are they a contender for actually even being remembered? Let's just look at this joint. Let's see if it's worth talking about. Drop those comments down below. Let me know if you are willing to buy these sneakers for resale or if you even got some. Drop those comments down below. Hit that thumbs up and let's just get into this sneaker, all right? Alright y'all, first thing first, let's talk about this box. Now, I already told y'all before I love my boxes. I was actually about to throw them all away and put them away until I got this box right here. First, you got a sleeve on here. Then on the inside, you actually have your box, your Nike box, which is on here, which I'm excited about too. And on the inside, boom. And then you'll see the A Ma Maniere wrapper that's on here. Nothing too crazy to go about, but the box was dope, so I thought, yeah, it's time for me to keep it. Now, the retail price, it went for 200 bones. So yes, it popped me for 200, but that's all right, because that's something that's normal pretty much. But if you are trying to go for resale price, it's going for $430 right now. So if you go on StockX, GOAT, or anything like that, or any retail store, or any resale store, you'll see that these boys are going over $400. Now, first thing right off the back with this sneaker is the gray that's on here, and it's called Crush. Now, I understand why it's called Crush because it actually does look like crushed leather. The crazy part about this is the photo that they took on this sneaker didn't serve any justice to what it looks like in the hand. It looks completely different than what you will see in your photo. In due time, like as time moves forward, this sneaker will age well, so like it's purposely meant to like rust up, get brushed up, and you'll see like different parts start to turn into suede or look like pieces are falling off. It already looked like it have been through a lot already. This is something new. I haven't seen it before, but I think this is a fire presentation. So when you walking outside, of course people will look at your feet and these boys will go and put on a show. Next thing that's interesting about this sneaker is the outer sole and the midsole. I like how it has this burgundy at the bottom and then it goes to another level with a different color and it moves up to sail. Now the crazy part is it looks kind of like this burgundy has bled a little bit onto the sail, which kind of makes a nice blend. It goes from one dark color to a lighter color and it actually shows three different stacks of color. So it goes from burgundy to your sail to like this crushed gray color or super white color of leather that's on here, and I think that's fire. Alright, now next interesting piece is the reptile-like skin that's on here. I think that this is dope. You have this on the swoosh and you will also have this on the rim of the sneaker. Not to even mention, you also have that on the inside of this sneaker as well. So when you open up the flap, you'll see that this reptile skin is on here, and I think that that's dope. And also on the inside of the flap, you will have some right that's on the inside of here, not on this side, but you will have that on the other side. And what it says is you have to expect things for yourself before you can do them, which it makes sense. And I think that that's absolutely fire because it's basically saying believe in yourself before you actually do something. You gotta have faith in yourself. Now, another thing to bring to notice, you may not think it's big, but I do. I think it's pretty big. The tongue on here actually extends a little bit higher than your normal one that you have. If you look at this one right here that I have, the tongue is pretty much decent. It extends a little bit high, but on this one it extends actually a little bit more higher and it sticks out a little bit more further. Now in addition to that, while we on top of the tongue, I want to talk about these laces. I think it's absolutely fire that they continue to give you different color laces. They give you burgundy laces and then they give you sail laces as well. And lastly, to bring to your attention is the interior, and it has this plush cushion on the inside. It's really soft, easy for you to put your foot on the inside, so when you put your foot on the inside you won't have anything tight pushing up against your ankle or rubbing up against your ankle or anything like that. You'll actually have a nice soft padding that's on the inside, so you really will be comfortable inside of this shoe. Alright y'all, that sums it up for the review part. Yes, I will tell you that yes, this is true to size. Yes, the resale price will be over $400. Is it worth getting resale? Yes, I do believe it, because I'm actually going to get some for T. I think that this is going to be absolutely fire for us to be wearing. Now, do I believe that this is sneaker of the year? No. I do actually think that for the year, yes, it does bring some type of buzz, but I don't think it's going to linger around for too long. But at the same time, I think that this sneaker will age well. So down the line, when people are looking back at sneakers throughout the year of 2021, I think that yes, this will be brought up into attention because they did a great follow-up, and I think that it was well thought out. This was a very creative sneaker for it to be simple, but at the same time maximized with like different ideas, bringing in the crushed leather on the inside, the burgundy, moving up to the sail, how they changed the tongue and give you different colors, the reptile skin, the noting on the inside of the wings. I actually think that that was fire. So yes, this was a great follow-up. This was a great job. They capitalized on this. Drop those comments down below if you have any other thoughts. If you think that this is in the running for sneaker of the year, do you think this was a dud? Do you think that they flopped on this one? Let me know what's up. Drop them comments down below, and if you have any other questions, go ahead, drop them comments down below as well. Make sure y'all hit this thumbs up. I appreciate the love that y'all be giving. Now with that being said, I'm gonna catch up with y'all next time. I'm your homeboy Camcorder Banks. I'm out. I'm gone. I'll holla at y'all. Peace.